Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lightsource HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lightsourcehr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Lightsource Global. Now click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on the login button. This will now take you into the login portal. You can click on the login button underneath employee portal to access the employee login. And now you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Type in your username that you have set while signing up for your account within the username box, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lightsource HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password button underneath, which you can click on to restore your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Lightsource HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.